Hello guys, we're at the seal making today.
Teva and Archie, they are at the perfume making DIY cafe.
Teva and we're doing perfume making at this building right behind us. We're going to go in, make ourselves some awesome selling perfumes and see how we go.
So yeah, we're going to make seals, they're going to make some perfume, and then we will meet up later to see what we did. And, yeah.
Do a little comparison. Maybe if we want to do a trade. I don't think they'll want to let go of their perfume though.
Well, we will see. So, shall we go in?
Let's go.
Okay.
So first of all, you will design your name in this mini square.
Okay.
Franca?
Mm-hmm.
Or you can make it in perfume.
Mm-hmm.
Franca.
Okay.
Ian. It's the basic design. Or you can change the circle to heart for design.
Yeah, I think I will just go with a simple design.
Yep.
Ian has Taiwanese roots. Can you write your name in Chinese as well?
My Chinese handwriting sucks, but that's my last name.
That's Shi?
Yeah. It means rock.
Okay.
Pretty cool. I could try. Like. Oh, that's a bit weird. I could actually fit my eco English name in here as well.
Yeah, true.
It's really like this one's 3 letters. Or maybe I'll go with the Korean just because
We're in Korea and we're making Korean stamps. Yeah, so let's do that.
Yeah.
It's funny, Koreans don't have an F in the alphabet. So my name is written with a P. And they also don't have a C. So they go for the G and the K sound at the same time.
How does that work?
It's like the G, but because it's like a sharp K, Franca, and then the P, Franca.
Franca.
And cover it on the stove.
Now the pressure is on. It's the other way around. I was like, why is my name so different?
There we go.
If you are right-handed, very done left-handed.
Okay, so I have to do left hand.
Yeah. Then with the engraving pen, just repeat to make a scratch. About 4 times per line.
Okay.
And please do not blow the white dust. Wipe it.
Oh, now the pressure is on. What do we think? Yeah, not bad, not good yet. Let's see for the final results.
Takes practice.
Yeah.
So, I've got 2 circles. This is gonna be interesting. I don't know. I feel like circles would be the difficult on this.
Yeah.
Okay. It's alright. Beggars can't be choosers.
Yeah.
This one. Okay. Wiggle?
Oh, that's good.
Nice.
Ah.
There we go.
that was decent.
Looks good.
You will design one side.
Uh-huh.
Okay? You can put some drawing or letters, anything you want.
Okay.
Okay.
Like a little soulmate would be cute.
Little soulmate.
Ta-ta! Soulmates with a...
I'm not much of an artist. I feel like if I try and draw something, it's not gonna end up well. I'll start the 3 lines.
But it's not only 3 lines. They are like...
What? Okay.
It has to do something with the writing. I think with the Chinese writing.
Oh.
I'm not sure though.
I've already messed it up.
Okay, so trace the line with the pen again.
Okay. I should have gone for something else.
Regretting it now.
Ooh.
I've traced it out. Simple but effective.
Focus on it.
There we go.
Around some of it. So Ian is now winging it. Fighting.
Just a diamond. What could go wrong?
Ding ding ding. Still going. Ian, which color should your diamond be?
I think something blue, right? So maybe this one
Oh, that's pretty.
or this. Maybe I can mix two. This. Make it like more of a
Glossy, shiny thing.
lighter blue. Yeah.
Should I do everything in one color? Yeah, I think I will just like
Golden.
classic. So I just now take the toothpick, put it into the collar. It's nerve-wracking. Trace the design. Oh!
Why is nothing coming up?
Oh! Nice little pouches. It's cute.
Very cute.
The red one. Green one. Yellow one. Light blue.
What are your thoughts?
I mean, I have the moonlight, so I should go for blue, I feel like. I think it's dark blue.
Yeah, it goes with the gold. Yeah, I'm thinking maybe the green or the purple. Might go with the purple actually.
Good.
감사합니다. Nice. Seal complete.
I'm done. How do you feel?
Accomplished. I only got something good to bring back home.
So, Ian and I finished our stamp making thing. They're really pretty, huh?
Looking good.
So that was fun.
We got a stamp extra as well for 2,000 won, so you can actually use these.
Yeah, so and the experience was like 35,000 won each. So, and it took about an hour. So really good, it was really calming, really therapeutic.
Yeah.
So yeah, feeling happy about those.
Definitely worth it.
Yeah, the first good thing as a souvenir, and it's self-made.
Yeah.
So yeah, now we're going to meet Teva and Archie.
Yeah, let's see how their perfume went.
I think ours will be better.
I know. It's actually fun. Talk
It
about
was.
them.
So see you next time when we see them. Going to the exit station now.
Yeah, meeting up with the others.
For whom are we waiting?
Teva and Archie. They've just finished making their perfume, so
They took around 2.5 hours.
yeah. Took their time with it. They should be here in time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fresh.
Alright, gonna give him this one first. Whoever made this one.
Good smell.
Nice.
What do you think
What
of
do you think?
the smell first?
That smells really manly.
Okay.
Alright, now we'll get him to try this person's.
Oh, damn, this is not.
Where are you? Wait, let me come.
Alright.
Okay. I think I know. No, let's say who's the Teva. Either one or two. Oh, I hope I don't blame.
3, 2, 1.
Two.
And you thought mine was number 1?
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. It is.
So this one we've got Whiskey Club by Archie Beresford. A nice little manly smell,
What is it
you can
called?
see.
Oh, look! This is what I pictured.
Yeah,
Manly
smell. Have another smell of
But
it.
it's good.
Yeah.
But it's super manly.
And then from the Teva Nabi line, we have French Gentleman.
Oh,
Nice name.
Little smell.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yours is more like not. Yours is a little bit
He's
more
more,
fruity.
Yeah.
His was very fruity. Mine was very like woody, like wood
Earthy,
and
yeah.
earthy, yeah. And so, yeah, when you watch our video, you can see like the whole process of what went into them and all that. It was such a fun thing.
Yeah.
Alright, all just reviewed our own products together. Very fun day of DIY, I'd say. I'm very happy. You guys happy with your stuff?
Oh,
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
yeah, definitely recommend to try all these DIY shops, DIY cafes. It's
100.
like it's so rewarding, and also you have like your own little souvenir, which is really individual.
Yeah.
Instead of buying a souvenir in a shop, you can make your own souvenir.
Yeah,
That's quite
I go home in 2 days, so it's good to bring a little thing back with me that I made here. But yeah, check out all the information in the description of the places we went, the prices, everything like that. Definitely recommend a nice little DIY day in your itinerary, and we'll see you next time.